In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields for tasks or events in Salesforce. Custom fields can be incredibly useful, giving you more flexibility and personalization options to tailor Salesforce functionality to your organization's specific needs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce homepage. It's where the magic begins and the gateway to setting up those important custom fields. As you arrive on the homepage, look at your top right. You'll see the option for quick settings. Go ahead and click on that. This feature acts as a control center, helping you access different settings with ease. After opening Quick Settings, you'll find an option called Open Advanced Setup. Clicking this will lead you to a more comprehensive setup section where the real customization can begin. Next, direct your attention towards the Object Manager and give that a click. This tool is crucial. It organizes everything and helps you manage your data structures efficiently, allowing you to control how your data is displayed and used. Once you're in the Object Manager, search for and click on Activity because tasks and events fall under this category. Now, within Activity, find and click on Fields and Relationships. This is where you can view all existing fields and relationships and add new ones. Now comes the exciting part. Let's create the custom field. Click on the New button to start. You'll be presented with several types of fields. For this tutorial, we're choosing a text checkbox. This option lets you create a simple field that can capture various information like names or descriptions. Once you've selected the text checkbox, click on Next to proceed. Here, you'll need to type in a field label. This label is what users will see and interact with, so make it as descriptive and intuitive as possible. On this screen, you'll also need to input the field length. This defines the maximum number of characters that can be entered into this field. Think about what kind of information you want stored here to decide appropriately. After you've set these details, click on Next again. Now you must establish field-level security. This is important. It determines which users can view or edit the field. Consider the needs and roles within your organization when setting security levels to ensure data integrity and confidentiality. Click Next once more to bring us to the page layout assignment. Assigning a field to a page layout dictates where and how it will appear within Salesforce. This part allows you to customize user experience, ensuring they only see what's necessary for their role. Finally, wrap everything up by clicking Save. By doing this, you've successfully created a custom field tailor-made for your organizational needs. With this new custom field in place, you'll have even more power and flexibility to manage tasks or events effectively within Salesforce. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to creating custom fields. With these new capabilities, tracking and managing data will be more aligned with your unique requirements. Happy Salesforce customizing!